Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Thania and I film all kinds of pink, girly, and makeup videos on this channel. You guys are going to be so excited for today's video. I'm continuing my beauty room series. It's going to be episode 2. I ordered a bunch of organizers on Amazon. I just needed some organization in this room, so we got a ton of boxes we're going to unbox, and we're going to show you some cute pink organizers. I'm going to link everything down below if you guys are interested. Everything's from Amazon. Let's get started. Firstly, I have to show you guys because it is so cute. Look at this bear. It's so cute. This is what smells like perfume. I was wondering why my room smelled like this different perfume, and it's this bear. A girl named Charla on Instagram that makes these, so I'm going to link her down below if you guys are interested in these adorable bears. I got this pink one from her to display in my room, in my beauty room, and I love it so much. It's so pretty. I decided to make this video into an unboxing. I had already opened up some stuff, so I'm going to show you guys that, and then we will get to unboxing the rest of these gigantic boxes. So this is the first organizer that I have. I couldn't wait to pop this baby open, so I opened this, and then after I had opened these first few boxes, I was like, I should have done an unboxing. So I was like, you know what, it's not too late, we have more stuff coming in, we will unbox that. So this is like a rotating makeup organizer. It has these little shelves you can adjust up and down everywhere, and then on the top it also has more spaces to organize. I will be literally filling up all these organizers in part 3 or episode 3 of this series, so be on the lookout for that. Next organizers I had already opened are these. These are, I believe, they're called expandable spice racks, and these are meant for like your drawers in the kitchen, but I will be using these to display foundations, lipsticks, I don't know, but that's what these are going to be for. This is what it looks like when it's open. It just slides, it turns into 2, or you put it together, which I think I just did that wrong. Oh, there we go. Yeah, or you put it together and it just makes like a really big one. I saw these going for $40 on like a makeup organizing website, and I was like, are you serious? Those are literal spice racks you can get on Amazon for $15. Like, this first box, we have these babies right here. This is going to be a little difficult to explain, so I'll probably overlay the image of the actual product, but these you can literally customize to whatever size you want, and they make like little dividers, and I plan on using these for like compacts and stuff like that. Of course, I had to get pink ones. Everything in this video is pink besides those spice racks, just so you know. Box this first. We got our scissors. Come on, you could do it. I should probably be cutting away from myself. There we go. Oh shit, it's gonna come get me. Oh, well, these are not organizers, but I guess I might as well show you guys. So we have this right here. These are bubble mellers. This is for my eyelash company. If you guys don't know, I'm starting my own eyelash company, so I will link it down below. But these are mailers for your orders. Moving along, put this one down here, and then this is the one. This is the next one I was trying to open. So let's open her. You know what this one is? Come on, box. Oh, there's a box inside of the box. Fragile. Well, it's good to know that you put fragile on the box on the inside, but not on the box on the outside. Amazon, the box. You can tell what it is. It was very real trying to get this open. I'm just gonna sit up here. It's so pretty. You guys ready? It's a little smaller than I thought, but actually, no, it's a pretty good size. I'm looking at my other acrylic organizer over here. It's like little drawers, but they are pink. Guys, so it comes with like these little mats, but I won't be using these because I don't want black in there. These 4 little drawers. I thought these would be perfect for like lip liners or eyeliners or just smaller products like my glitters maybe. I have these larger ones. So if you guys can see that they are sisters, these two organizers. I got these from the same company on Amazon. See, they're so pretty. So excited. So excited. Goodness, can you guys see how pretty that is right now? I die. We're drinking horchata. I'm gonna do one more thing right now. One more thing. So cute. Little drawers we just put behind me. I think that was only like $25. How affordable is that? I always see these going for like $80, $100. Last box we have. I have to make room for this one because this is a big box. Let's unbox it. I'm going to move my agua real quick. Are we ready for this? Sorry if you see my buns up, by the way. We are... Ow! I stabbed my leg with the scissors. Don't do this at home, kids. You guys don't see my buns in this. We're working on it, okay? For this summer, we're working on it. I give props to people that do unboxings all the time. Like, we're running out of breath here. Here's one thing. Okay, so we're gonna put this down now. So these are the side pieces. I have some more pieces. I believe this is like the top of it. We got wheels and screws. Pray for it having an actual instruction manual. Even made the little screw bag pink. Decided to just tie my hair back because I was getting on my last nerve. You guys, it's so hot in here. I hadn't finished building the little drawer. Are you guys ready for this? Wait. First, I gotta show you guys another thing I forgot to mention that I got on Amazon. Also ordered these little knobs. I didn't mention them earlier because I didn't order them recently. I had these from last time that I ordered some. I use these knobs to glam pretty much everything in my house. They're basically little crystal knobs. You can order these by the dozen. I have some little empty boxes where I just use them. These come in these little boxes and they are just little crystal knobs that you can put on your drawers and stuff like that. So I did put them on the little cart drawers with these silver ones, but obviously I want to make it more glam, so we used the crystal knobs. So stunning. I'm so excited to put makeup in this. You guys, is this not the cutest thing ever? Oh my goodness. I was so happy when I saw they had pink ones. Guys, thank you all so much for watching my video. If you stayed until the end, make sure you leave me the little lipstick emoji down below. I'm also going to link all of the episodes for my beauty room series below and right here. Whole playlist going on for this series. We're only on episode 2, so make sure you subscribe to keep up with my beauty room series. If you haven't seen episode 1, again, it will be linked down below. I love you guys, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.